Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the materials needed to cast Ifa. Before I dive deep into it, first of all, you need to know what Ifa is in Yoruba religion. Ifa is a Yoruba religion system of divination. Orunmila is identified as Grand Ifa Priest, as he is the one who revealed divinity and prophecy to this world. Today, Babalawos and Iyanifas are seen as the walking Orunmila in our midst. So, what are the materials for casting Ifa by the Babalawos or Iyanifas? There are 10 major materials being used to cast Ifa, or being used by Babalawos or Iyanifas. Stick around as I name them one by one and explain. Number 1. Iroke Ifa. Iroke Ifa is what is being used to call upon Orunmila while casting Ifa. Number 2. Opele. Opele is the second most important materials for casting Ifa in Yoruba religion. Opele is seen as an alternative to Ikin. Opele is like a chain which has 4 one side and another 4 on the other side, which makes the chain as a total of 8 shells. Each shell has inner and outer parts. The positioning of these shells determines the Odu Opele reveals during an Ifa Divination section. Number 3. Ibo. When Ifa is casted and the Odu is revealed, Ibo is used to further investigate the essence of the Odu revealed and to know the sacrifice needed to be carried out. Number 4. Ikin. This is otherwise called Ikin Ifa. Ikin Ifa is seen as the most important material to cast Ifa because it is believed that this is what Orunmila used to represent himself as he left this world for Ode Orun. Ikin is the palm kernel from the palm tree. Number 5. Opon Ifa. This is the train for casting Ifa with the use of Ikin that I earlier mentioned. Opon Ifa is made of wood carved in different designs. In the Opon, there is what is called Iyerosun, which is like powder. Number 6. Agere Ifa. Agere Ifa is the container Ikin Ifa are safely kept. Number 7. Apo Ifa. This is usually made of clothing materials or beads. Apo Ifa is where all Ifa casting materials are kept. It is literally a bag for Ifa Priest to go about with his Ifa materials. Number 8. Ilu Ifa. Babalawos, known as Ifa Priests, usually celebrate Ifa from time to time. They often jointly come together to praise Ifa. Ilu Ifa is the drum they beat. Number 9. Opa Orere. This is a stick that Babalawos who have chieftaincy title in Ifa Religion used to use to walk. This stick is like an Orisha to them because they always protect it. And lastly, number 10. Irukere Ifa. This is the cow or other related animal's tail carried about by the Ifa Priest. Ifa Priests often stand Irukere Ifa close to themselves during their Ifa Divination section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.